What up, people? So in this video I want to talk about cashback for Amazon UK. So basically recently I checked on there is a website called Top Cashback. So if you want to the link for this cashback website, you will have it down here to the description, and it is an affiliate link. So if you don't want to use that link, just go to topcashback.co.uk. But if you do that from the link, I will appreciate it. So basically there is a cashback for Amazon UK. I never saw that there is a cashback for Amazon, and I'm not sure yet how it works, but the cashback is 9%. So 9% is huge. It's really like big, 9%. So there are like categories that have cashback 9%, 6%. It's varies by categories. So each category has a different cashback percentage. But overall, if you can get like 4 or 5% cashback from Amazon, it's insane. Okay, because it is from Amazon. So I don't know how it works yet, because I used a website I think called the Kids for cashback from Amazon. They were giving like 8% for all the purchases, but I started using them, and after I think even not a week, they just blocked my account. They canceled my cashback account, and I never received something from them. But Top Cashback, I use them for third-party suppliers so far, and I made like more than £1,000 in cashback, and everything was paid on time, and there were not wasn't any problem with Top Cashback. So now I'm testing the cashback for Amazon through Top Cashback, and I want to see if they actually will not like block my account for using too much Amazon, and to see that they actually pay that cashback. So yeah, it's super good that you have a cashback for Amazon. Also Top Cashback, if you are using third-party suppliers like Georgie, like H&Q, there are like good I think also for Zooplus. So there are good websites that you can receive cashback for, good retailers. So yeah, of course I will update about the cashback from Amazon, if it works, if they cancel my account or not. So this is why you still, I suggest you still have the profit, the first profit that on your sale, and not like people that just selling in break even and counting only the cashback. So that's for it for this video. I will leave the link below for Top Cashback. I will really appreciate if you will use my link. If not, it's okay. And if this video is helpful for you, consider subscribe to my channel and leave this video a thumbs up. And let me know if you have like something, another cashback website, or if you already use that for Amazon. Leave your comments below. I want to know about it. And thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.